Former U.S. President Donald Trump, 76, has been charged with multiple offenses related to his handling of classified documents following his departure from the White House. His lawyer revealed that Mr. Trump is facing 7 charges, including the unauthorized retention of classified files, although the specific details of the charges have not been made public. This marks the second indictment of Mr. Trump, and if convicted, he could face imprisonment. Welcome to Slant News. If you want to support, you can subscribe to our channel. Despite the indictment, Donald Trump is actively campaigning for a return to the White House in the upcoming 2024 presidential election. Legal experts have emphasized that the indictment will not prevent him from running for the presidency again. In a post on Truth Social, a platform launched by Trump, he expressed his innocence and stated that he had been summoned to appear at a federal court in Miami, Florida, where he anticipated being arrested and informed of the charges against him. Trump lamented the situation, remarking that he never thought such a thing could happen to a former U.S. president. He described the event as a dark day for the United States and vowed to make America great again. Jim Trusty, Mr. Trump's attorney, informed CNN that the former president had received a summons document detailing the charges against him. The charges reportedly include conspiracy, false statements, obstruction of justice, and illegal retention of classified documents under the Espionage Act. The Department of Justice, DOJ, has chosen not to comment on the matter, and the indictment has not been publicly released. An indictment is a document that outlines the charges against an individual, ensuring that they are informed of the alleged criminal offenses they face. The Secret Service will coordinate with Mr. Trump's staff and security officers to plan his journey to the Miami courthouse. Jack Smith, a special prosecutor appointed by Attorney General Merrick Garland in November, has been reviewing the evidence in the documents case. Last year, Trump's Florida resort Mar-a-Lago was searched, resulting in the seizure of 11,000 documents, approximately 100 of which were classified, with some marked as top secret. Recent reports indicated that prosecutors obtained an audio recording in which Mr. Trump acknowledged possessing a classified document after his departure from the White House in January 2021. According to legal experts, Mr. Trump's ability to run for the presidency will not be affected by the indictment. Even if he is convicted in the documents case, he will still be eligible to participate in the White House race. Georgetown University Law Center professor David Super emphasized that Mr. Trump can be indicted multiple times without it impeding his candidacy. Opinion polls currently rank Donald Trump as the front-runner among Republican candidates for the 2024 presidential nomination. In response to the charges, several prominent Republicans voiced their support for him. Kevin McCarthy, the Speaker of the House of Representatives, condemned the indictment as an abuse of power and pledged to hold those responsible accountable. Similarly, Florida Governor Ron DeSantis vowed to bring accountability to the DOJ, address political bias, and end the weaponization of power. Another candidate, Vivek Ramaswamy, promised to pardon Trump promptly on January 20, 2025, and restore the rule of law in the country. However, Asa Hutchinson, another candidate, distanced himself from Mr. Trump's alleged actions, stating that they should not define the nation or the Republican Party. Apart from the documents case, another investigation is underway concerning Mr. Trump's involvement in the storming of the U.S. Capitol. Former war crimes attorney Jack Smith is overseeing this separate probe, known for his meticulous investigative approach. Previously, in April, Donald Trump became the first former U.S. president to face criminal charges when he pleaded not guilty to 34 counts of falsifying business records related to a hush money payment to a porn star. The trial for that case is scheduled for next year in New York.